Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's video, I have another Hairvivi banger. So guys, I am opening this package right now for the first time, so I haven't seen this unit. I believe they sent me a Yaki unit, and I don't think I've ever reviewed a Yaki unit for Hairvivi, so this is gonna be pretty interesting. Of course, you guys know they always send the bomb packaging. Oh, is this Yaki? I think it is Yaki. Okay, guys, so this is what the back of the unit looks like. Of course, we have the pre-plucked and bleached hairline. Ooh, that looks nice and luscious. Okay, real quick, let me show you guys the cap construction. Typical cap construction, the 2 combs. Oh, wait, no, it's only 1 comb. Okay, of course we have the Hairvivi HD lace that they have become infamous for. And actually there are no combs in this unit. That's interesting. There's no combs. Has this comfort flap in the back, and of course, you know, they always have the piano key elastic band that allows you the ability to adjust the tightness on your head. Okay, and there's no combs, so that's interesting. I don't know how I feel about that. We're about to see. I guess I'm the only one who like combs in their wig cap. Seems like that's the move nowadays, to get rid of the combs. Let's try this on. As you guys can see, I got a little boo-boo. Happens to the best of us. Does not disappoint. Look, lace so clear, you can still see my little boo-boo through the lace. Okay, but as you guys can see, we got the hairline is giving as we knew it would. Okay, and it has a left side part. Okay. Let's go ahead and get this install and see what we're working with. So I have 2 new lace sprays that I actually really like. They're even New York. They're melting sprays. They come in smaller packaging, same price, okay? Wasn't really too fond about that, but I've used both of them so far and I really like it. So I think I might combine one of these with my wig dealer. Let's combine those and see what that's giving. And just to clarify, you can wear this unit glueless. I am just going to add some adhesive, but this wig actually feels extremely comfortable on my head. And as you guys can see, it will stay down. All you have to do is cut these tabs off. Matter of fact, let me show you. I can show you better than I can tell you. So if you want to wear this glueless, you can just apply some mousse to the forehead, tie that down with an elastic band for about 5 to 10 minutes just to get the lace to stay down, and then just pull the hair down and you can wear it glueless. As I mentioned, I am going to apply some adhesive. Let me go ahead and clean this makeup off my forehead first. This is Walgreens, equivalent to Sea Breeze. Let's go ahead and clean. I try not to put much makeup on before I do the install anymore, but somehow still got a lot of makeup on my forehead. So we're gonna go in with the Wig Dealer touch-up gel. And what I love about this is that it's just like a easy one-step application. Don't need any extra tools, combs, popsicle sticks, none of that. And I'm gonna add the melting spray, really just to the sideburns. Now I'm gonna tie it down with my elastic band for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna spray some of this on my finger and just lightly dab the edges. And this is just gonna pick up any loose lace that may not have gotten laid down the first time, even though most of it does seem like it's secured already. I'm gonna tie this back down, but only for about 3 minutes. And while I wait for that, let's go ahead and tend to this. Now, this is a straight part. I do prefer my parts to be more curved than straight. So I'm gonna go ahead and curve this up just a little bit. Now, since I want to make sure up here is more straight, I'm going to just part this about midway and I'm going to hot comb it. And y'all should be able to see the difference between how more flat it is on top than it was previously. So don't forget to take that extra step when laying your units, making sure you get underneath just to make sure your install is looking real plush and clean on top. I'm gonna go ahead, add some of my concealers to the parting space. I like to mix mine. My root touch up to clean this up. Okay. Let's see what these curls is hitting for. Now, this is their Yaki texture. I almost couldn't even tell at first glance that it was Yaki because it looks different than any other Yaki that I have worked with. I like this. Okay, let me tell y'all. I'm not a big fan of Yaki. I'm not a big fan of kinky straight, and the reason being is because they act too much like my hair, which is high maintenance, right? And I wear wigs for convenience. Let's never forget that, okay? So that's why I'm not really that big of a fan of it, but this Yaki is nice. And it's holding a curl. This shipped to me like this, y'all. I didn't put any curls in this. This is the Yaki unit, and I didn't put no curls in it. And look at it. Oh, this bang is beautiful. I don't even want to mess with it. Ciao. Hairvivi. You know, they never cease to amaze me. Like, this is it. Okay? I love this. Yes and yes. And yes again. I feel like this right here needs a little bump. So let me go ahead and curl that real quick. Let me go add this foundation to my forehead. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So this is pretty much the final look. I'm going to add a little gloss. But baby, let me tell y'all something, okay? Truth moment. Okay. Y'all saw that I opened this packaging with you guys. So I didn't see this unit. Now, I'm really supposed to be filming another video right after. So I'm supposed to take this unit off and film another video. I do not want to take this unit off. I am so mad I didn't film that other video first. Like, what was I thinking? I knew Hairvivi. Like, Hairvivi always comes through. Hairvivi always come through. Y'all know Hairvivi always come through. I don't know. I was thinking, I was like, it's Yaki. I already told you guys I don't really mess with Yaki like that. So I was like, I'm not going to want to wear that unit. Joke's on me, right? Now the dilemma is might just have to wait until tomorrow to film, or if I'm gonna be responsible and take this beautiful install off to film. Tear. In any event, guys, I'm going to have all the information for this unit listed in the description box down below. Y'all need to go ahead and cop this. I'm saying it's summertime. This bob is beautiful. Beautiful. This is not like the regular boring bob, right? We don't do boring bobs, okay? We like bobs with character. This bob is just eating right now. Like, it's giving me everything I needed to give, okay? So before we get out of here, though, I'm going to need y'all help naming this unit. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name as well as the person who submitted the name will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of the faithful fam, hit that family button, aka the follow button, and join the family. And if you enjoyed this video, why don't you check out this video? You might like it as well. And it's always important you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.